first element, and this is the optimal approach that I am going to discuss in this video. And in the last two videos, I am discuss about its brute force approach and its better approach. So you may check that all these in the same playlist. And now let's move to this question. So uh, in the better approach and optimal approach, the time complexity is same. In both cases, we are going to achieve big of n. But in the optimal, we are going to solve this via only one passes, and in the better approach, we solve this via two passes. So that's the change between brute force and optimal. So here I compute the size of an array, and after computing the size, what I need to do? I need to do hmm, check the base condition. If n is less than oh, if n is less than 2, so return mm, -1 minus of 1, and if all large int largest is equal to int min int second largest as largest, yeah, just as largest uh, is equal to int min all done, and largest and second largest. I initialized both of the variable with int min. Now compute for this is as same as if you are saying a race from the uh, outside, and if the one person who overtake second one, the person who had the second position and the person who had a first position. So and the person that who overtake both is holding a position one, and the person who is at position one is now at second position. That is a simple logic. So, and I from I for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, if nums of I nums of I greater than largest. If nums of I greater than largest, then then s largest is equal to largest, and largest is equal to nums of I. Done. Uh, hmm. Here I compute both the value. If else if let's suppose if it overtake only 2, so else if nums of I greater than s largest, and nums of I not equal to nums of I not equal to largest. Yes, uh, nums of I not equal to largest. So in this case, second largest is equal to nums of I greater than second largest and not. So in this case, second largest is equal to nums of I. Done, done, and second largest is equal to nums of I. Done, all done. Now just check the one more condition. If uh, overcome with this, just check if second if s largest is equal to int min return minus of 1, done. And else कुछ नहीं, uh, return uh, as largest. I hope this is going to pass all the case. The time complexity is big of fun. Done. See you in next question.